first of all, let's remove those titles. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to add a picture to our slideshow, right? The picture that will dress up by our costumes. So I'll go to the insert section on the upper toolbar and I press picture. And of course, if you have Apple or different operation system, it will look a bit different, but for sure you'll know you need to know how to operate and navigate in your operation system on your computer. So let's play and custom up, dress up this picture of this cute koala. I'll press insert, and as you can see, it's too big right now. So I want to shrink it, I want to make it smaller. The best thing to resize any picture is to use those corners, squares that I can select and easily drag down to make it smaller, or drag outside to make it even bigger. But the thing is that a lot of people don't use those corners square. They use those squares, which actually damage the ratio of the picture. What will happen if I will try to resize the koala picture from this square? It will look unreal, it will look not nice, that the ear is too big. The same thing will happen if I will try to resize it from this square. So it will look like the lens is not good, it won't look like a koala anymore, it will lose his identity. So the best thing to save the ratio is to use those corners, which you can easily drag in and out and keep the ratio and keep the real size of the face. So it's important to know this, and I think this will be a reasonable size to dress it up. Now let's go to Google, and on Google I will look for glasses. Here I am, glasses, and of course what Google brings me, it's a lot of many other websites that connected to glasses. But what I really want is images. So I will press on the images section and I will get images of glasses. It's not what I really want, because they are look too real. So maybe if I will add the word cartoon to the glasses, I will get more suitable glasses for my purpose. Okay, and now I need to pick the right glasses, and I can't pick any of them. There are some rules that we need to say on them. Like, I won't pick anything with a watermark, right? Because it will look ugly, it will look unreal. I don't need those watermarks. And I also won't pick those glasses because the handles will block the koala size. So I won't pick those. I also won't pick something that has a picture that has more than one solid color as the background color, because I can remove only one solid background color. I give you an example. Let's take, for example, those cool glasses. Right click on the picture at the side of the screen, copy page, click paste. Now as you can see, it comes with the background color, but as I said, as I promised, we can remove it. How do I remove it? I can go to format, which gives me the images tool, or also, no matter where I am on this toolbar, I can double click on the photo and to get immediately to the format section. And in the format section, I will choose color, and I will pick this option, set transparent color. And now all I need to do is to choose which color I want to remove. So of course it will be this kind of off-white color. I will click on this color, and as you can see, it removed the color. And I have another small issue. Anyway, let's ratio it a bit. Let's rotate it a bit. As you can see, it didn't remove these titles. but I can easily remove it by use the crop tool. And when I click on crop, I can easily drag those black line and crop the image. I will click again on the crop and I got rid of this title. Now if I will pick one of those glasses with a double different color at the background, so I won't be able to use it. Why? Because if I try to get rid of the white color, I will still have the off-white color, and if I will try to get rid of the off-white color, I will still have the white color. I can only remove one solid color, so those kind of photos are not usable for me. Now I want to show you how can I select a picture with multiple style of glasses and to pick only the right glasses that I want to use. So I will copy this to my slideshow. And how should I do it? I can use double click on the picture, I will get to the format section and I can crop it. So let's say I want to pick this glasses, or maybe this one. It's more fit to my koala, I think. I will crop everything else out and I will stay only with the glasses I really want. Perfect, right? Now all I have to do is to make it transparent, to resize it so it will fit to the koala's size first. And here we have it, a koala, a cool koala. Okay, so I have these glasses. Now let's keep up and look for hat, a cartoon hat for my koala. So I think that this Australian hat can work, right? Because it's an Australian animal. Double click, color, set transparent color. Of course I have to get rid of this title, crop, and I remove this title. I can still play with the size of the hat. And now I have a kind of classic Australian man. Now let's look for a beard or another hat for my koala. This can be a nice hat, this can be a nice hat. Use whatever you want. Look how many options you have on Google. Let's look for a beard. What kind of beard should I want for my koala? Let's use this brown hair beard. And as you can see, it's much bigger than my screen. So I have two options. One is to drag it till I see one of those corner squares. Then I will select them and will make it smaller, right? This is one option. The other option is to double click on the photo, and as you can tell, I have the exact height in inches over here, so I can change it from 8 inches to 4 inches, and then it will automatically make it smaller. Again, I will remove the background, I will crop the title at the bottom, and I will have a nice beard for my koala. Now let's build the closet. Insert, shape. I will use square shape, and I can fill it up in any color that I want. I have more color over here, but what I really want to do is to fill up with the texture. So I will pick this kind of white wood texture, bright wood texture. That's what I like. You're more than welcome to choose any other color you like. And I will get rid of this outline. It doesn't look real, this outline. Copy, paste it. Let's do 3-store closet. 3 shelves. Close it. And now I want to close my the frame of my closet. I can create a new square over here, which I will need to color it again and shape it again and etc. Or I can be smart and to create a quicker move by duplicate one of those shelves, rotate it at 90 degrees, and then just to stretch it down. Then I will create the background of this closet by adding this square shape. Right click on the shape and send it to back. When I send it to back, now I'm free to choose the color I want to this for this closet. I think this would be a good one. Right. Let's make our closet a bit bigger. So this was our first part of this lesson, and let's move on to our second part of this lesson and create interactive slideshow. So let's see how we did it. I will duplicate the slide by right click on the first slide and duplicate slide. And again, duplicate slide. And again, 3 times more than the first. And in each kind of slide, I will dress up our koala. So the first one will be this kind of right glasses, cool glasses. Maybe it's more with like a detected koala, right? Kind of detected koala. And the second, which is the third slide actually, I will address it like much more fun. Maybe this is enough. I don't need to put any bird. See? No, I don't need. Let's keep it like this. And the last one, I will use this bird beard. And maybe these glasses will fit this beard as well. And no hat. Maybe no hat. Yeah. So we have 3 different costumes for our koala. Maybe no, I think this hat can fit with this beard. What do you think, right? So maybe shrink it a bit. Oh yeah. Now I want that for the slideshow to be interactive. I want that when my mouse cursor will be over this head, for example, I will get immediately to this slide. And when my mouse will be over this bird, I will get immediately to the 4th slide. How do I do it? Let's do it. I'll pick the item I want to lead me to a different slide. And I will go to Insert, Action. I will press on the mouse over tab. I will press here, and I will choose the slide with the 3 dots after it. And now it shows me the all slides we created. So which slide I want this hat to lead? Of course, to the slide with the hat, but when the hat is on top of the koala, which is the 3rd slide. So I press OK, and OK, and look what happened. I will press F5 on my keyboard, or F5 on your keyboard, or I can also use this button. And when I move my mouse over the head, it will jump to the 3rd slide, which is this slide. Now let's create the same on this item. So I will pick this item, which will select it, Insert, Action, mouse over, again slide 3 dot, and which slide do we want that those glasses will lead to? I think it's a problem because it's the same. So let's do something different. Let's remove those glasses to here. Put this in the front. Let's put it in the front. Great. And let's do the action on these glasses. Again, insert, action, mouse over, slide, and let's do it. Let's make it lead to the second slide. 2, OK, and OK. And the bird, let's create an action on this bird that leads us to the fourth slide show, because this is the slide with this kind of bird, right? This item. Okay, and okay. Now again, I will press F5 to show it on my keyboard to show the interactive slideshow we created. And when I move my mouse over the glasses, it will jump to this kind of custom slide. But now I want to change it back to the head slideshow, or the brown beard slide custom. But I can't. Why I can't? Because when I'm on this slideshow, when I'm this slide page, yeah, the fourth, the head and the bird or the glasses doesn't have any action, because the action we created for those items only appear on the first slide when we did it, right? If I choose here the action, you can tell that there is an action on those glasses, but here the glasses doesn't get the action. So what should I do? Is to copy paste those items, because after I copy and paste an item that I already created for him action, it also copies the action itself. So I will right click on the item, copy, and I will erase the item from here because this is the item without the action. Right click, and I will choose this, I will choose the first one, and I can tell that it copy pasted with the action. I will do it to each one of the slideshow where the head is on the shelf. Okay, and now I will do the same to those glasses. So those glasses, they are the only item, they are the only glasses, sorry, with the action. Now I will copy them to different, my other slideshow, so it will copy also the action. And again, let's do it with the beard, copy. Let's remove this one, and I will put the beard here, and also here, wherever the beard is in the clothing. And now I can press F5 on my keyboard, and look what we created. Every time when I move my mouse over one of those items that I create an action for them, it will lead me to the different costume. Fun, right? That's all for today, guys. Do this trick with your photos, of course, with your one of your family members, your friends' photos. It's supposed to be fun, and creative. So now let's go and see what we learned today, because we learned some important, very important tools that you can use in any other slideshow you're gonna create. Let's recall what we learned. So we learned how to search for the exact photo you want. We learned which photos we can use and which it will be harder to use. We learned how to resize our photos and keep the ratio, not damage the ratio, so it will look professional and nice. We learned how to erase or get rid of our background color, so we can actually fit the photos itself to a different character or a different picture, so we can mix between a couple of pictures. And we also learn how to create an interactive slideshow, so it will be fun to play. It's almost, so those are important tools that you learned today, and I hope you will find a nice use for those tools in any other slideshow you will create in the future. So stay safe, guys, and stay creative. Bye bye for now.